Hello traders, today is the 9th of October 2023, Monday, first trading day of the week. Amazing trade guys. Let me share with you guys how we managed to bank amazing profit on Kiwi dollar. Pretty straightforward. This morning we had a short trade here. Once the market respected here at this level, so we were waiting to see the price action at this level. As you can see here, market nicely respected. So we have this beautiful breakout long trade. Market nicely hit to the first target, which is the previous high. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entry. That's the key important thing. Keep an eye on 4 hour. Based on that, as you can see, we were expecting a breakout. Market is nicely broken. Beautiful short trade, pullback short trade here. As soon as the price previous low level hit, as explained my trader, consider banking some pips because in 4 hour we're expecting a possibility of pullback long here. So as explained to my trader, let's wait till the market develops certain structure. As you can see here in the previous analysis, once we see the market respected, develop a false breakout, and as explained, high probability price might gonna break upside because based on the 4 hour we were expecting a pullback. So we can see a beautiful breakout, nicely hit to the previous high, and as explained my trader, it's time to enjoy amazing profit. So you guys, you want to bank all this profit in real time, most welcome. Join our fast going today community guys. Have a nice day and all the best.